Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So this is like my way, like I feel like this way that I'm about to show you is like really easy and stress-free, because I feel like there's like a lot of pressure and stress behind trying to create like the perfect YouTube thumbnail for your video. It's like you want people to click on your video, and I feel like that's like one of the number one tips that people have when it comes towards like trying to grow a YouTube channel. It's like the thumbnail. It's like the biggest thing. I feel like that's like a lot of stress and pressure behind someone who's trying to like start or like grow their YouTube channel. So I'm about to show you like a stress-free way. This is like what I do now to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video. Now, I'm not an expert or like a professional at making thumbnails, but I feel like I used to use like a whole bunch of different apps just to create like this one picture for one video, like a thumbnail. So this is what I do. This is like stress-free for me to create a thumbnail for my YouTube video. Okay, so just a heads up, I do not own a laptop, so I do everything from my phone. I feel like it's more easier for me to do things like from my phone. So I feel like this is perfect for someone who actually like records their videos from their phone. So what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is like once you record your video and you go into like the pictures app, or like where the video is going to be on your phone. So you want to go to the video on your phone, and then you want to turn it to the side, and you want to, okay, so you want to take a screenshot of this video, but you want to make sure it's turned to the side. So we have our screenshot. So this way you don't have to Google what's the dimensions or size of a YouTube thumbnail, because I used to do that a lot too, and it's like it was so confusing. Next, we're going to be using the PicsArt app. So it's called PicsArt. I'll leave a picture probably like over here on what it looks like. I feel like this app is really good. I always have this app on my phone, like I can't delete this app. So you want to go into PicsArt, then we're going to pull up the picture, the screenshot that we took of the video. And so at this point, you can actually, like with this PicsArt app, you can actually do basically whatever you want to this picture to create a thumbnail. You can add text, but what I like to do is you can actually go to the sticker section down here. You can click on the stickers, and they have like so many different like stickers and like little like pictures that you can add onto your thumbnail to make it stand out, to make it more noticeable. Also too, if you want to, like if you don't want to use a picture, you can still use this screenshot as like the dimensions for your YouTube thumbnail. So you can just create like a thumbnail with just text, or you can actually, with this PicsArt app, you can actually make a PNG, which is, if you don't know what a PNG is, basically it's just like a picture without the background. So you can actually do that. And also too, you can use the stickers. You can make a PNG. You can use the stickers as a PNG, because with this PicsArt app, they have the backgrounds, they have like the PNG background. So you can actually add a sticker on there. You can actually use that for your video. You can add it onto your video. It's not going to be animated or anything, but you can actually do that. Also too, you can use this app to add text onto your video. So I use iMovie to edit my videos, and I can actually add like text if I want to put like a title or something in front of this video. I can do that with the PicsArt app, but you can actually color the whole background, like the thumbnail. You can make it any color that you want. You can use the brush app. I mean, not the brush app, but the brush feature on here. So you can make like a whole white background. Then you can add your text, like your bold text or whatever. You can like do so many things on this app to create a thumbnail. Okay, so I hope you found those tips helpful to create a YouTube thumbnail. I hope that it's like stress-free for you, because I know it is for me. Like when I used to try to make thumbnails, it was like so stressful trying to find out the dimensions and the size of a YouTube thumbnail. It's like so stressful, and it's like a lot of pressure behind that. So I feel like with that one app, you can actually do a lot with that, and you can create like eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube video. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below if you use the Pixar app also too. It's like so many things you can do with that one app.